Hi everyone, welcome back to Makayla's Playground. Today we're making bouncy ball, and here is the bouncy balls.
Okay, so let's get started. Show them. Okay, show them how it works.
First, open it up, and then I'll whoa. Here is all the bouncy balls. We
already did a couple of them to test them out to make sure they worked.
So, guys, I think I want to do this one first because this one is open. Okay, see you later, box. Here is all the things.
So they have all different shapes.
Oh, it's a Patrick sleeve.
Oh, it's a 4-leaf clover. It looks like, you're right, it looks like a 4-leaf clover. So they have 4 different shapes of bouncy balls that you could make, and it's a set of 12 from Amazon.
Yes.
Our favorite place. So there's only 2 things you need to do. So you just need to open, like Makayla took out the mold. So you got to put it together.
These are gonna be so bad.
And then they have to click together.
Mommy, I know how they don't get bouncy, as you have to keep them safe and better, and something that keeps them safe.
Yeah. Okay. I know we put them back. We have to put them back in here when they're done.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna make all the molds right now. It takes 2 minutes for them to form inside. Why isn't this one working? Ugh.
Oh, I have an idea how.
Oh, there we go. Okay, so.
Let's do this.
Do what? Oh, great. What's she up to now? Oh, yeah, gotta work out. Okay, silly. Let's see here. Alrighty, so here's the first mold. It does go by faster. This one was just a little more difficult. So what you do is, hold on, let's take out the instructions. So the instructions are on here. Like I said, we already know how to, we've done a couple of them. So we have to pour. Here, go ahead and pour the solution.
Oh.
Let's open this up. We had
the water.
Let's do this first. Go ahead and dump that in. And then what you're gonna do is also, you're gonna pour this about half, well, a little bit more than half. So in there, it forms. It has to be completely covered. Sure.
Guys, this gets so messy.
It does get messy. So,
can you hold this?
You want me to hold it and then you dump it in? Okay. So put it in here because it'll still maybe make a mess. So we're putting it in. Let me hold this for you. Right there. Maybe open it up a little bit more.
Oh yeah.
But not too hard so it doesn't spill out. So looks like you have to try to, there we go. That's really strange that this has so much. They usually don't fill up like that. So after you pour both bags of the powder in, the bouncy powder, you get the cup that it comes in and you submerge it into the water.
Ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
Ready? Push it all the way down. Okay, now let go. And we're gonna give it 2 minutes. So while this one is setting, we're gonna start the next one. So these could be used for, oops, sorry, love. These could be used for party favors. Like I said, it comes in 12, and each one is individually packed and has its own mold and instructions. Okay, now the other one is done. Let's pour this in.
Now this is done.
Yeah, let me get this one, and then, so there. Okay, so let's show them that one. So you take it out, and then you just open it up.
Woo!
And it formed. I don't know if you could see that. It's too blurry. Let's see.
Nope.
No, it formed a little bouncy ball. So what you have to do, it's a little sticky when you take it out of here. So you gotta sort of work with it a little bit to pull it out. And then here's your bouncy ball. So it's wet. So we gotta let it sit for an hour and a half to completely form. There you go, ma'am.
And guys, after, do not worry. We are, what are we gonna do, Mommy? Come back.
Oh yeah, we're gonna come back to show, there you go. We're gonna come back to show you guys the live demonstration of the bouncy balls. So we're gonna submerge that one again in water. There you go. Leave that to the side while I help Makayla.
Help me.
Since she wants to submerge them together. Okay, let's see. Let's put those two in there together. Okay, so 2 minutes.
I want you to have this one in your room so it can be beautiful so you can play with it. And I'll have yours.
Thank you.
Help me, please. Help me.
Here's this. See, oh, mine doesn't have that much either.
Can you help me? Can you get some more of mine? Get that one out, please.
Okay, hold on. Okay, let's take this one out.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Okay, so then we take this out. It looks like a little seashell. Let's see. There's this one. Yeah, that came out cool. Okay, so then there's this one. The last one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna
pour the water out.
Pour the water out. We're gonna set the timer for an hour and a half, and we will be back to show you.
Okay, guys.
The
bye. See you soon. Hi, guys. Look at who's up from their nap.
Who is that?
Liam and Ava.
And who are you?
Makayla.
Okay, so let's take a look. So since her hands are full, I guess I have to do this part.
No, I'm going to put them on the couch.
Okay, let me start taking these off then. Okay, so what I noticed is that they're little sticky. So, yeah. Look, I'm gonna try to take this piece off at the bottom so they bounce better. So they're a little sticky. Here they are. All of them, right? So, I'm gonna bounce it to you. Let's see how well they bounce. Ah! Well, they're not going in a straight line because they're all different shapes. Let's try. Let me take off the little piece on this. There we go. Okay, ready? Good catch. Ah, it's okay. Here. Ah. So the ones that are all in different shapes actually bounce in all sorts of directions. Like this one, let's see. Yeah, see, it sort of tricks you. And this is the circle, so let's see. Okay, the circle does it right. The other ones sort of go all over the place.
Bye, guys. I hope you enjoy my channel. If you want to watch another Bouncy Balls Makayla video, touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell button right here. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell button. And don't forget, don't miss my episodes on Makayla's Playground. Bye. And thank you. And stay healthy too. We get bouncy balls.
Oh, we're going everywhere. Great.